How much will I save with solar energy? Hi, I'm Joanna and welcome to Maoneng Philippines Earth Month campaign. Today, we will be discussing the potential savings and payback period of having a solar. Solar panels have always been a great option when it comes to potential energy savings. And so, it's important to know that the amount you save will vary depending on some factors. Your savings depend on the overall system cost. This depends on the equipment you have chosen to install in your facility. Remember, quality system components will cost you more but will benefit you in the long run. Your savings depend on your existing electricity rates. The higher the electricity rates, the higher the computed savings. And as for the record, the payback period for a typical rooftop solar is 4 to 5 years. Your savings depend on rebates. If your system is connected into net metering scheme, the local utility will give you rebates in every excess energy your system produces. The rebates depends on the current cost of electricity from the generation plants. Your savings depend on the capacity that can be installed in your facility. A typical solar panel can use at least 2 square meters of your roof space. If you can install a higher capacity, which covers 100% of your energy consumption, then basically you can save up to 100% of your electricity bill or totally zero bill. Your savings depend on the amount of energy that the system produces. The more your system production is, the more savings you can enjoy. The amount of energy production will also rely on the irradiance level that can be harvested from your area, the current weather and climate, the panel orientation and quality of installation, shading, and natural efficiency drop of your solar panels. For outright purchase, the customer immediately reduces its monthly utility bill since there is no recurring cost on the electricity provided by the solar power system. Client will only have to pay for the balanced electricity supplied by the local utility company. Installing a solar system is a long-term investment, which will last for at least 25 years. After the payoff period, you will be enjoying the free electricity for your room or establishment. For a free quote or consultation on solar PV systems, message or email us down below.